Before I met Adorsys, I was full with ideas, but at the end I was always a little bit struggling about the topic, how can I really execute this in the IT, in this really heavily IT-driven environment. And that was always challenging me, and that's why I was heavily looking for someone who can support me on that side. I'm Stefan Schuller, I'm the CEO and co-founder of FOMA. FOMA is a platform ecosystem around debt collection and insolvency management. You just do not have the skills, for instance, on UX, UI. So it's the full range of topics, which was extremely helpful to get the support from adorsys. It was definitely from end to end. So starting with the landing page, corporate design, helping us to set up the infrastructure. So we were ending up on AWS cloud services. We have a full digital service portal, and here you have to register. So they have selected us always the best practice tools on the market. They could always fulfill our requests and requirements in time and in budget. I can say the implementation was always quite fast. So they have really provided us with state-of-the-art technology, with state-of-the-art support in all of our topics. They really helped us to improve and to change completely our corporate design. And we got a lot of good feedback from the market already, how good it is, how perfect it is. And so that was a huge benefit from adorsys we got. And we achieved this in 6 months. This is quite amazing.